Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone. The first method to block number, you can just add it to your accounts, then select it, tap here, and then block numbers. And the number from your contacts will be blocked. But there's also another option, just from the phone. You tap here, go to the settings, then go to the block numbers, and here you can add a number without adding it to your contacts before. And that's how you block number. Just type it here and the number will be blocked. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.